So the default apps that you would get with any phone for that matter, this is the 12 mini. However, it can be any iPhone. You will see these guys right here. And that's it. Everything else you would need to download. What I just did right now, it's just showing me the apps that I just showed you. So see all those? Those are just the ones that I just showed you. But these are the basic apps. Anything else you would need to download straight from the App Store. And most of the ones that you guys would want are free anyways. So most social media is free. So don't worry about it. It'll take a couple seconds to download that stuff. And that's why you need an Apple ID as well, just to download apps from your App Store. So at this point in time, we are done with this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.